Hi guys, welcome to this channel. Today I am going to make a set using this fabric. Don't know if you can see it properly. I think it's called rib knit or rib knitted fabric, I'm not sure. So this fabric is really stretchy. I have this fabric left. Since the fabric is really stretchy, as you can see, I cut about 12 inches for my top. I want it to be a tube top, but I just cut out some straps just in case I change my mind. But as you can see, I have cut like 12 inches for the top, and this is times 2, which will make it 24, but my bust is 36. But I'm just going to show you how much it can stretch. Let me just put it aside. So like now, that is 12 inches. Just see how much it's going to stretch. And for the skirt, I like 2 fabrics right now. So guys, that is what I have as per now. I've just sewn down the sides. So for the top part of the top, I'm just going to fold once and hem. Also for the skirt, fold once and hem. And then for the bottom of the top and the skirt, I will fold once and then sew as I stretch, so that it kind of has that lettuce effect. Do you get it? You know, when I say I'm folding once, this is what I mean. Like this, then sew. So I have finished hemming. So this is how it looks. Hemmed the top of the top, the top of the top, the bottom of the top, the bottom of the waist of the skirt is here. It's done, and the hem, bottom of the skirt. So this is how it looks. I don't know, I didn't stretch this bottom part, so I didn't feel like I needed to. I just wanted the top to have that effect, but it didn't come out as good as I wanted it to. So I'm still debating. I'm so lazy. I don't want to put the straps, but in case I put them, this is what I'll do. These are the straps. Let me try and focus. So these are the straps. I'll just flip them inside out or the right side out, and then I will just sew from the inside here, and one goes to the back. So I'll sew it here, and this one here, so that it's like that. And with the other one, and this one too. I don't know, actually I am digging that vibe, so I think I will do that and then I show you the outfit. So yeah, that's it. So that's the final look. Yep.